Trees walk softly, not in depth, strong in silence, rich in care. Wisdom lives in forest air. Rest, rest, let your thoughts grow light. Follow shadows out of sight. In the wild where hearts are true, calm returns and stays with you. As the forest fades from view, gentle calmness carry through. Though the giants drift away, their peace remains and chooses to stay.